Welcome to this waterfront villa in Antigua for sale, offering comfort and views. This 2-bedroom villa is located in Jolly Harbour, one of Antigua's most desirable communities. The living area includes the kitchen, the dining and the lounge area. Each room is bright and well appointed. There are 2 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms. The master bedroom has its own balcony overlooking the water. Outside there is a terrace and a private dock, ideal for boating or enjoying the water. This bright 2-bed waterfront villa in Jolly Harbour is just a short walk from North Beach, offering relaxed coastal living with AC in every room. Large windows fill the open-plan living spaces with natural light, plus a dedicated laundry, pump and utility room. If you are looking for a blank canvas, a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom property, this is the villa for you. Contact us today at Luxury Locations to arrange a viewing, and do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.